welcomes you to Orlando, where the local time is 2:53 p.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, such as a wheelchair, please feel free to remain seated after we arrive at the gate so we may better assist you. Please remember to keep a healthy distance from other travelers as you leave the plane. Thank you for your cooperation. We hope you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Orlando-based crew, thank you for choosing to fly with us and have a wonderful day.